Hi friends, it's Danielle with Take Care Mama, and I'm so excited to be unboxing a little passports box for you today. This is our very first box. It was a gift to my son who is turning 8 later this month, so I'm gonna unbox this and then put it all back and set it aside until his birthday. It was a gift from his auntie and uncle. I really don't know all what to expect, so I'm super excited. So first we have a little message from his auntie and uncle, and then a postcard you cut right here, and he can send a thank you back to them. Very fun. Okay, it says, "Welcome to Science Expeditions. Our mission is to inspire your child to learn about the world, and our products are designed to do exactly that. Our activity-based packages spark curiosity and make abstract scientific principles tangible for kids. Action-packed experiments, blah, blah, blah. We work with professional educators, PhDs, and award-winning writers and designers to create meaningful products for you and your family." Then it gives a little detail about what to expect in this box and then what to expect next month. Ooh, next month is a mystery. Okay. I don't want to read too much about it because I'd rather just open it up. So first we have a tote bag that says Little Passport Science Expeditions. That is cute. And I just love when things come with bags so we can contain it all together easily. Forensic science. Ooh. Okay, I don't think it'll be that big of a deal if I open this. This is so cute. It comes with a little lab notebook, and the pages are gridded. It says experiment date and observations. Oh my gosh. Oh, wow. And on the back is a bunch of diagrams, human anatomy, how animals are categorized, flower anatomy, the moon cycle, the golden ratio. I'm really interested in the golden ratio. That is really fun. We have a sticker. I thought it was a tattoo. It's a sticker. Ooh, fingerprints analysis card. So let's see what's going on here. This looks like a little comic book with a mystery that we're trying to solve. And we will solve it. This is so fun. It looks like by studying handwriting. And we're gonna learn about fingerprints. I totally remember learning about this stuff in elementary school. The double loop whirl, the radial loop. And up here, these are the fingerprints of different characters in this comic. And so we will put our detective hats on. Really cool, and figure it out. Lastly, we have an experiment guide. So we have this book and materials to do our experiments, and it looks like there are 3 of them. The first one is a DNA experiment, and we're going to extract DNA from a strawberry. So this contains things that you wouldn't necessarily have at home, and then some things you need to gather from your kitchen. So a strawberry is not included. Dish soap, it's all things that we have. That is really fun. I have no idea what it will look like, but we are supposed to record our observations. The second experiment is all about fingerprints. So it looks like there's a little ink pad in that bag I showed you. Oh, and a fingerprint analysis card and even a magnifying glass. So we will see what kind of fingerprints we have in our family, or James at least. It's so cute. There's a little fingerprint analysis card. And then we are gonna do a splatter studies experiment. All of these must coincide with the comic book story. Hopefully there wasn't blood splattered, but I don't know. And so we're going to take a ruler and some paint and see the pattern of how it splatters onto paper. So this is super fun. I cannot wait for him to get this for his birthday. Thank you so much to his auntie and uncle, and we get another box next month. I'm not sure how long this subscription is. I'm sure it goes a year, and we will get a box every month with some new fun stuff. Super, super fun. I will have a link below for more information if you want to order one for your kids, or like my lovely in-laws did. This would be a great Christmas gift. And I will try to find a coupon code, and if I find one, I will put that below in the description as well. So look for that. Thank you so much for watching. Have a wonderful day and take care. Bye, guys.